Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Velocity 2015 in New York. I'm here with Michael Sage. Michael, how you doing?
I'm doing very well. It's a great conference.
So you're with BlazeMeter, and so you just mentioned it was a great conference. Why is that?
It's a great conference. It's great to have so many performance specialists in one place. Everybody talking shop, everybody sharing tips and tricks and problems and solutions.
So talking shop, can you talk shop to me about what you guys actually are doing?
Absolutely. So what BlazeMeter is doing is rethinking, reinventing how load testing is done. Load testing used to be a really complicated, expensive undertaking, generally done by specialists and generally done infrequently. What we've done is we've created an open source based DevOps style approach that uses YAML and JSON and very developer friendly formats and processes to interject load testing anywhere in the delivery pipeline. So a developer changes feature code, he can update the test, run some load even before he commits, and then of course run in the CI build, run in staging environments, and even in production.
So you've assembled this with all open source components, is that what I heard?
That's right, we've even created an open source product. We're largely built around JMeter, which is a very popular load testing solution in the open source world and growing into the entire world. And what we've done is we've created a project codenamed Taurus that gives developers YAML formats, very human-readable, editable files that they can manage right in their editors and conduct the kinds of load tests that until now have been difficult and specialized and hard to get going.
Excellent. So if it's open source, there's probably a GitHub repo?
Absolutely, yeah. In fact, we have a website, it's gettaurus.org, where the repo is and can be forked and so forth, and all the documentation.
Excellent. So what do you see as like the customers that work with you guys the most? I mean, is there in specific verticals or?
No, we actually spread the enterprise space pretty wide. We do a lot with media companies, a lot of companies that need to test streaming video and make sure that the latency is manageable. Also ad tech, where milliseconds matter. We have a customer, for example, Clearleap, who is in fact in the middle of an evolution from the old style load testing, where they were doing it once a quarter, to now they're doing nightly builds and they're testing every build and they're working their way toward a continuous performance testing approach using the BlazeMeter technology.
So if we fast forward 12 months from now and we have this conversation next year, what would you like to say BlazeMeter has done in that year time frame?
Gotten everybody doing performance testing.
And for why?
Because I think performance testing is one of the sort of neglected pieces. It was very much a part of the old world, the sort of pre-agile, pre-continuous delivery. And now what we're seeing is users' expectations are higher than they've ever been. People expect instant response times. So performance testing has to come back and come back in a big way. And we think that by making it very easy to do at any stage of the delivery pipeline, we can get everybody performance testing again, and nobody's going to get mad at their phones anymore.
So you guys integrate nicely with the whole continuous delivery process?
Absolutely. Yep. We're in every build server. We can work with pretty much any style of delivery any team is doing, since we have these basic, straightforward formats.
Excellent. Michael, we look forward to that in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.